Hi guys, today we're going to talk about order of operations, and you did this a little bit in 5th grade, or you should have. Remember, we're going to solve our problems left to right. Now you're probably used to the expression PEMDAS. Well, PEMDAS we can't use anymore because we have learned other grouping symbols like the absolute value, and we've learned the square root symbol. But parentheses is still that, so you kind of have a little bit more variety. And then, of course, you know to do exponents, multiply and divide, and then add and subtract. So I started this problem, but then we got interrupted by an announcement, so we have to go in and fix it. And actually, I had made a mistake on it, and I was fixing that in my video because I added wrong. So that's going to be negative 32, and that's going to be negative 26 is our final answer. All right, sorry about that. Thanks for bearing with me. So here you have two sets of grouping symbols. Notice that, two sets of grouping symbols. I'm sorry you can't read that in the thing. I apologize. So which one are we going to do first? I hope you said the parentheses because that's correct, because that was our first one. And then within the parentheses, we have to take care of our exponents. So 5 times 9, I'm sorry, that's 8. 8 minus 8 times the absolute value of negative 5. So let's take care of those first. So 5 times 0 times the absolute value of 5. So now you have 5 times 0 times, and the absolute value of negative 5 is 5. I'm sorry, I forgot to do my symbols. All right, so now we're going to multiply, so that's 0 times 5, which is 0. Now number 3, that's got a whole lot going on in there, doesn't it? We have to start with our parenthesis. But within that parenthesis, there's a lot of stuff going on. So let's narrow it down. We have a grouping symbol, we have exponents, and then we just have adding 8. So what are we going to do first? Hopefully you said the absolute value. So negative 5 times 4 divided by 1 squared plus 8. So again, we're sticking with our parenthesis, but now we're going to take care of that exponent. So negative 5 times 4 divided by 1 plus 8. Sticking with our parenthesis, but we're going to actually do our division. So negative 5 times 4 plus 8. Not quite done with the parenthesis. So negative 5 times 12.
Ms. Richardson, you have a call at 600. Ms. Richardson,
and that's negative 60.
600.
Sorry guys, we're gonna keep on moving. So here we have the parentheses, and then within the parentheses we have the exponent. So that's 4 times 4 times 4, which is 64 plus 2. Again, finishing up our exponents. So that's 66 minus 1, which is 65. Now, if you look at this one, it looks like ones, but it's actually absolute value. So if you want to take a moment and make that notation. So what are we going to do first, friends? That's right, we're going to take care of our parentheses first. But within that parenthesis, what do we got going on? Well, you got an absolute value symbol we got to take care of right there. So 9 times 7 minus 18 divided by 9, and it's going to be cubed. So we're going to take care of our parenthesis. So 9 times 7 minus 2 cubed. And now we're going to take care of our exponent here. So 9 times 7 minus 8 plus 15. Get to multiply now. So that's 63 minus 8 plus 15. Do our subtraction. So that's 55 plus 15, which is 70. Very good. Now sometimes you get these crazy ones where they actually look like fractions. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to take care of the numerator first. But let's start off with these. So we're going to take care of our exponent first. So that's 5 plus 9 times 4 minus 10. Multiply. So 5 plus 36 minus 10. So 41 minus 10, which is 31. All right, looking at our second example on this page, we're going to take care of our parentheses first and our exponent within the parentheses. So 3 squared plus 100 divided by 25 minus 2 plus 7. So take care of your parentheses. So 32 plus 4 minus 2 plus 7. So now we're going to take care of our exponent. So 9 plus 4 minus 2 plus 7. Add, which is 13. And 13 minus 2 plus 7, that's 11 plus 7, which happens to be 18. Now number 3, that is such a fun one. It really is a fun one. So we have a fraction, right? Let's take care of the numerator first. But you can't forget the divide by 2. Because if you forget that, literally you're going to miss the answer. So we're going to take care of this. So you have 20 divided by 4 times 2 plus 2 cubed plus 8 over 2. Hopefully you didn't forget about it. Now we're going to take care of our exponent here. So that's 20 divided by 4 times 2 plus 8 over 2. So now we're going to divide. So that's 5 times 2 plus 8 over 2. So that's 10 plus 8 plus 8. Whoops, not 18, 8. 8 over 2. So we're going to add. So that's 18 plus 8 over 2. I'm running out of room, so I'm just going to slide over. So that's 26 over 2, which is 13, because you got to divide. All right, guys, that's order of operations in a nutshell. Bye.